Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out a tankless reverse osmosis system. And this was sent to us by SimPure for free for us to check out. Now, boom, right here we go. All we got to do is pull this down. Takes about 2 seconds, kicks on, fresh water on demand. You don't have to worry about anything to refill. It automatically pulls it directly from your water supply and fill you up a glass. Show you how long it takes to fill a full glass here. This is a decent sized glass, a little bit wider than most normal ones, but right there we go. It is full, and then you just simply turn it off, and then that will kick off down there as well. Not very loud at all, and look at that, we have some water. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we have down here. Now, right down here, you can see the machine fits nice. Right here, it's not very big. It should fit under pretty much all of your sinks in a standard home. Super easy to install. Speaking of the installation, if you stick around after this review right here, I'm going to include the full install for you guys as well. Let me tell you, super easy. Took me maybe 30 minutes total once I got all my tools and stuff together and put the pipes and stuff in here. Comes with this nice easy PEX pipe right here. As you can see, really easy to install that. All quick fittings, nothing you need to do or anything. Comes with everything in regards to the installation that you will need. You'll need some basic tools, a drill, things like that, but things that most people should have at their house. So yeah, you put it in there, it plugs in. Make sure you got something that plugs in. If you do have a garbage disposal, something like that, make sure it's a constant power supply. That would be the only thing that you need to double check on. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Super easy, simple to install. You have your filters on the side. I'm gonna go ahead and go over those as well whenever we cover the installation. But yeah, if you're looking for clean water on demand, go ahead and check this one out right here from SimPure. Okay, and as promised, here is the maintenance and install portion. Here on the side is how you will open to be able to gain access to your filters. As you saw, we just pop off those little notches up top. And then inside here are your filters. There's little clamps around here. You just remove those and then your filter easily comes out. And then the same for installation. You just put them back in there like that, and then you will clamp them down. Make sure you get it in there nice, snug, and even to ensure that it goes in there. As you saw, I had to slightly readjust that. Now, here is the other one. We're gonna do the exact same thing. Put it in there, nice, snug, even to ensure it goes in. All right, now replacing the cover is just the same. Line up the two little notches down at the bottom and then snap everything back in place. You'll have snaps up top, and then ensure the ones at the bottom also snap in place. Now, here we are for the install. Ensure you turn off your water source. You really only need to turn off the cold water, but you can turn off the hot water also. And then of course, you're going to have to remove the hose that's going to your faucet. And then you'll also get this little splitter that they do include, and you will then put it in place. And this is the valve that will allow you to have water that will go to your new reverse osmosis machine. Ensure everything is then secured. Tighten everything back together. Do not over tighten this bottom portion or you will smash the seal. I did that a few times, so don't do that. Just a quarter turn after hand tighten will do it. And then of course you're going to connect the hose up top as well, which goes back to your faucet. And then ensure this little valve is closed. It should be perpendicular. And then turn on your water source and inspect for leaks. Now the next thing we're going to do is install our wastewater line, and this is really easy. You will need a drill for this. You're just going to drill into your pipe right here, and then you will attach this patch around it to ensure that it stays in place. And then you will put this cover around it, and this is where you will install your PEX piping that goes to your reverse osmosis machine, which is where your dirty water will be drained. I used the light on my drill to ensure the holes were lined up, and then I went ahead and secured the bolts. bottom one, top one, and it is nice and tight. Now, all of your fittings here are quick connects. They just push in and secure, and then just turn this little valve and you will have water flowing to your machine. Here is a view of the connection that we made underneath that goes to your spout up top. And then you're going to plug in your machine. After you plug it in, the machine is fully installed. However, you will need to flush the system for 20 minutes before you can drink any of the water. All right, so now our machine is good to go. We're gonna quickly run a little test on this and see how well it works. I do have a device here that will test the parts per million in our water. So we'll get us a full glass of water here. And then we will take our device, stick it in, and you can see here that it is only 17 parts per million. Now we will do the exact same thing, but we're going to use the regular tap water. So this is the tap water before it is being ran through the reverse osmosis. And we'll do the same thing here. We're going to go ahead and dip it in the water, and 319. So quite a big difference there. Overall, super satisfied with this. Like I said, showed you guys the installation. I'm very happy with it. So go ahead once again and check this one out from SimPure.